great day, everyone. Before I get into this video, I have to remind you guys to go over and join the Work at Home Lounge over there on Facebook. Family, it is getting more and more amazing as the days go on. There are even people who are making videos that are sharing knowledge about different companies, telling you about their experiences, etc., etc. Okay, and I don't always come over here on YouTube and let you guys know who's hiring right now. Right now, there are some things that I exclusively post in the group, okay? So I definitely want to remind you guys to come over there and join the lounge, okay? All of the links will be in the description box down below. However, I wanted to come and show you guys how you can work from your smartphone for 4 hours a day, making some money from home. Now, this will average out to be maybe around about $600 a month after I did a little bit of calculations. But all you'll be doing is now, before I get into that, you'll need to actually apply using a computer, okay? And once you start working on the project, it was told to me that you can start working from your smartphone, okay? So apply using a computer, and after you get accepted, you can start working from your phone, okay? But what you'll be doing is you'll actually be providing feedback on news feeds, advertisements, and search results, okay, on social media, which is, it could be Facebook, Instagram. I'm not really sure if they use Twitter, probably Twitter, but definitely Facebook and Instagram. Okay, so you'll be providing feedback on the news feeds, advertisements, and the search results. Okay, now it's part-time up to 20 hours per week. Now the usual is between 1 to 4 hours per day, 5 to 7 days per week. Okay. Now, after a little bit of research, I think it's around, maybe some people say they make about $10. Some people say upwards to $13. So I guess it depends on the project that you will be on. But I just kind of went for the lower amount and said it'll average out to be about $600 a month, around $150 per week. Okay. Anybody can do this. You do not have to have any experience. So if you have a child, as a matter of fact, I have a couple of people who have been messaging me on Facebook who actually are in college. This is great for if you have a child in college, if they're raiding your purse and taking all of your money all the time. This is a great little side hustle for them to do that won't take away from their studies, okay? They can do this again part-time from their smartphone and make them some money to have in their pocket while they are at school. Or you can be a regular, working citizen person. You just need a little bit of side cash outside of your main job. You can do this in the evenings or whatever, all from your smartphone. So again, you don't need to have any experience or anything like that. So definitely run over there and check it out. All of the information will be in the description box down below. So again, you'll basically be providing feedback on news feeds, advertisements, and search results, okay? All of this stuff is things that we see on social media every single day, especially if you are a frequent user of Facebook or Instagram or Twitter or Snapchat or whatever. I'm pretty sure you've seen ads and things that have popped up on your social media news feed. So you'll basically just be providing feedback on those advertisements, okay? Now, you must live in the United States. I know there are going to be some people who ask, can you live outside of the United States? You have to live in the United States of America, okay? Have to live in the United States of America. They also say you have to have access to a computer with a sound card and speakers, or access to a smartphone that is less than 3 years old, okay? That is why I said you can do it on a computer or you can do it on a smartphone, because again, it says access to a computer or access to a smartphone that is less than 3 years old, okay? Good luck to everyone that applies. Most oftentimes than not, if you apply for this position, you'll probably get an invite, okay? So that's why I'm telling you to run, don't walk, because they are actively looking for social media evaluators right now. So definitely head over there and apply. Everything will be in the description box down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.